Hey everyone, ever ignored a problem hoping it would just disappear? You were trying to sweep it under the rug. This phrase is all about avoiding accountability, but what's the simple, literal chore it comes from? Let's uncover the mess. Meaning and origin. First, let's understand the meaning. To sweep something under the rug means to conceal or hide a problem, mistake, or unpleasant truth to avoid dealing with it or facing the consequences. It implies a temporary and superficial cover-up. The origin of this phrase is literal and household. The housekeeping cheat. The idiom comes from the practice of housekeeping. When a person is rushing to clean a room quickly before guests arrive, they might neglect to properly sweep up all the dirt and dust and, instead, quickly sweep the mess under a floor rug or carpet. The illusion. On the surface, the room looks clean and tidy. However, the dirt is still there, just hidden from view. The problem, the dirt, has not been solved. It has only been concealed. This idiom perfectly captures the idea of prioritizing appearance over actual resolution, warning us that hidden problems always remain. Modern usage and examples. Today, we use to sweep something under the rug in professional and political contexts. The company tried to sweep the negative financial reports under the rug before the shareholders' meeting. We can't just apologize, we need to fix the error. We can't afford to sweep this mistake under the rug. Rather than face their arguments, she just tried to sweep the issue under the rug. Conclusion. So, the next time you're tempted to ignore a problem, remember this simple visual idiom. It's a powerful reminder that real solutions require facing the dirt, not just hiding it.